Which one again?
And it's front and back.
Mano! So please, oh. How would the water even stay cold till then?
That's helping you for me.
Look at the back of it.
So you don't go to see
the mad. Viva!
Guess who flew from Lagos with weights? Me! Okay, so I thought that I won't find a gym in the hotel because I wasn't willing to like go far. But yeah, there's a gym in the hotel, but still I have weights in my room. There's more in the wardrobe. There's more in the wardrobe, but these are out for now. Gym rats!
Nancy Isime, Jemima Osunde, and Sharon Ooja are presently in Kano on location. Jeez, this is bold. I don't think I can travel to northern Nigeria right now. I beg. These ladies are super amazing and hardworking. That is why I get so offended when people tie their achievements to men. So according to Nancy Isime, she thought there won't be a gym around, and she didn't think there will be a gym in the hotel. What people don't know is that Kano is a city. Like, it is such a correct city. I am telling you the truth. The first time I went to Kano, I was impressed because I had this mindset of, oh, it's a local. Kano is like a proper city. Anyway, that aside, where they went for dinner, guess what? Lots of fans snapped picture with Nancy Isime. Let's take a look at that, and then maybe we'll get back to her gymming experience. Nancy loves to gym. Such a gym baby.
Like the way she speak. If you not finish, personal picture with her. Thank you.
Hello. Abdel, nice to meet you.
Chef Greg.
Chef Greg, I can see that. Tara and Kader. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Who's taking a photo of you? I'll just go in the middle.
Thank you.
No problem. Oh, you need to come maybe close. Don't worry, I don't bite. Empress, are you okay? Okay. Empress with the start of bistro. It's our Empress with lovely skin. Alright, thanks guys. Thank you.
Your skin is glowing. A gorgeous queen. The Princess of Kano.
Princess of Kano.
How are you doing? Alaja. Ranka Dede.
The whole Instagram today cool.
Like, girl, what is this? Which one is this? A Maggie? What's it called? Is it Nunu? Oh, look at that. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Today we feast. We're gonna kill ourselves with food today. We're gonna kill ourselves with food today. Left here. What's up, girl?
Nancy received so much love.
Nobody do it like you, master.
Nobody.
Get out.
My master.
Get out.
So here you can see Nancy is busy gymming. She is such a gym rat. So guys, what do you think this movie she is filming is all about? Do you think it's a Netflix or Amazon, series or movie? What do you think the storyline is, and what production? Because presently I am so lost as to why they will travel to Kano to film. Maybe it's a northern, but in fact I don't know what to say. Please, So guys, the first video you saw, that was Nancy on her way, although you would hear her voice. They were on their way to the location, and then she was shocked to see several billboards, over 100 billboards of Viva soap. That is the brand she represents. She was so shocked that she saw herself in every part of Kano. I guess that explains why she is quite popular there, because even Jemima and Sharon nicknamed her the Empress of Kano because she has lots of fans. The restaurant staff wanted to snap with her. Well, Sharon Ooja is not so popular, I mean, Nancy Isime's face is almost everywhere. She's not hosting very big gigs, she's acting, and she's just involved. She's like a proper entertainer. She's in the entertainment circle, so it's very easy for people to to recognize her because she's, let's say, everywhere in a good way. I don't mean like she's there. She's just everywhere in a fantastic way. So guys, have you ever been to Kano? Have you ever been to any part of the north? What are your thoughts about northern Nigeria? To be very honest, I was born and raised in the north, and I miss northern Nigeria so much. The problem is the insecurity. When P2B becomes president and the insecurity issue is solved, to be very honest, I am going to be the happiest person, because now I will be in a position to visit northern Nigeria. Because like I said earlier, I love the north. I love how affordable life is. I love the simplicity of life. Like a core northerner doesn't care about material things. I love the simplicity. I love that there's so much food. Northern Nigeria used to be very peaceful and calm, trust me, like really peaceful. Like that place, that, oh, there's so much peace, you make your money, nobody had time. But lately, that's why I'm pretty shocked that Nancy Isime and her people took the risk and traveled down, and they really shot all through the night, as you would see in this next video.